This is what 20 bucks gets you at Dollar Tree. Today we're taking the Driftline D77. Here we go. Randomly saw my friends also riding trail. We just got off the trail and are riding to the main area. Now we're on the main road. Dollar Tree is right there. We made it. We're back on trail and heading back home. Now we're almost home. Total was $17.33. Got cleaner for my bike, cleaning wipes, microfiber towels, a ton of Takis, Twix, my favorite candy, and a Starbucks pink drink. Where should I go next?